So this is my setup that allows me to stream on Twitch at 60 FPS quite comfortably, and in this video I'm going to run you through everything that I'm using, from all my equipment, gear, to everything that is inside my PC. So let's jump straight into it. If you're looking to stream at 60 FPS on Twitch, you're going to need two beefy things. The first thing you need is a pretty beefy PC that can actually handle it, mainly your CPU, because it's your CPU side of things that's actually going to run your program, like whether it's slobs or OBS. The main load is going to be put onto the CPU more than the graphics card, so that's going to be the most important part. The second one is going to be your internet connection. So let me start off by telling you what speed I run at in terms of my internet. I am on a 50/50 line, so that means that I essentially upload and download at exactly 5 megabytes a second, and that handles my bitrate pretty well. So what bitrate am I currently uploading at for Twitch? Well, for Twitch, I'm uploading at 4500 bitrate with my 5 megabyte line, and I've set it to 1080p for the source so that you guys can watch me in HD. Hopefully I look pretty enough for you guys in HD, otherwise might as well blur myself out. But secondly, back to my PC, what am I actually running inside of here? I'm running a GTX 1080 with the Ryzen 7 3700X. That's going to be 8 cores and 16 threads on it. I also have 32 gigs of RAM of 3200 megahertz, which is quite amazing, but not really for streaming much, but just for handling the memory buildup for streaming and all the game cache and memory cache. So it just helps a lot there. For my motherboard, I'm actually running an X470 Asus motherboard. My power supply is 1000 watts, bit of an overkill there. My cousin was like, hey man, need a power supply? Boom. I was like, sweet, I'll take it, 100 cementals. And for my cooling system, I'm actually running a Cooler Master dual fan setup. I'll link it in the description, everything that I'm using, but that just helps with keeping the CPU cool, especially with the strain that it's going to be under while you are live streaming. And in terms of hard drives, I actually have most of my programs installed on an SSD. It's actually a really old 258 gig, I think, SSD, but then I also have two bigger HDDs installed into my computer, so I can store my games on those and let my SSD actually just run the program so that it keeps it quite speedy. Let's go. And then lastly, I am running everything on Windows 10, so I have not made the switch to Windows 11. I actually don't recommend you even switch to Windows 11. Even Windows will recommend that you don't switch to it yet. Just wait for all those updates, bugs, and things to be patched, so by the time you hop onto it, you have a nicely optimized program to stream off and to game off. There you have it, guys. That is my setup that I use to stream at 1080p 60 FPS on Twitch. Let me know what your rig is, if you stream at 1080p, actually what resolution you even stream in. But hope that this helps you. If it did, leave a little like, a little comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys. Let's go.